This is a coding snippet from during the stream. Link in the description. Turn is initially it's false. Like this. I think this should maybe change something. Yes, okay, good. Stuff looks good. Okay. I think I've done it. Let's see what happens when he reaches here, because this is a different kind of case. Okay. Ah, there we go. That was the bug. He should turn first. If turn, then do this, and if not, do the other. Okay, let's see. You know what? Sorry to interrupt the whole thing. I just want to make it more interesting like this. Oops, like this. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen here. Awesome. He's returning! He's returning back! Ah, yes! They're doing exactly what they should be doing. Well, now I should just implement a rock and I will totally have a boulder dash game. That's the only thing that's missing this game. And well, the collisions with the rock when it falls and all that. Look at his guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. This is proper behavior. This is proper boulder dash behavior. Oh man. Oh yes. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this kind of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye.